The rise of research automation is one of the biggest shifts happening in AI right now. And if you're a student dreaming of working in NLP, data science, or advanced LLM engineering, this project gives you a powerful advantage. Think about how overwhelming today's research world feels. Thousands of papers are published every single day. No human can read everything, but an AI agent can. A research automation agent is built to scan literature, extract key ideas, summarize insights, and generate structured reports that normally take weeks of manual effort. This matters even more from 2025 to 2027 because research output is exploding across academia, pharma, biotech, and consulting, and organizations need faster knowledge discovery to stay competitive. Real-world applications include academic literature reviews, patent analysis, competitive intelligence, market insights, and medical research aggregation, making it highly valuable in R&D-heavy industries. Recruiters love this because it shows you understand how to work with unstructured data and create automated workflows. The hiring demand spans academia, pharma, consulting, legal tech, and enterprise research teams, giving you a strong edge for future roles in deep tech environments. To build a research automation agent that feels genuinely helpful, you need a balanced mix of technical and analytical skills, and each one maps directly to real career expectations. You start with Python because every part of this system depends on automation scripts. Then you move into NLP techniques such as text extraction, chunking, and summarization, since research papers are dense, unstructured, and full of domain-specific language. RAG architecture is essential because it allows the agent to search, retrieve, and reason with information instead of hallucinating. You'll also use APIs to pull data from sources like Arxiv and PubMed, along with web scraping tools such as Bootsall and Scrappy when APIs aren't enough. Vector databases like Pinecone or Weaviate form the memory layer, letting your system store and recall information efficiently. Soft skills matter too. You need research methodology to judge credibility, critical thinking to interpret findings, and the ability to synthesize complex ideas clearly. Recruiters look for candidates who can work across technical and non-technical teams, and these skills help you stand out because they show you understand both AI architecture and knowledge workflows that power R&D environments. When you build the system step by step, the workflow becomes very manageable, even for beginners. You start by building a search engine that connects to academic APIs such as Arxiv, PubMed, or Google Scholar, and then upgrade it with semantic search so your agent can find papers based on meaning, not just keywords. Next, you extract and process documents by parsing PDFs, isolating abstracts and core sections, chunking them into readable units, and generating embeddings to store on a vector database. Once the data pipeline is ready, you create the RAG system, where tools like Pinecone or Weaviate hold the embeddings, and LangChain agents handle reasoning, synthesis, and citation accuracy. This is where the magic happens, because your agent starts generating summaries and structured insights. Finally, you deploy and scale the system by building a web interface, adding export formats like PDF or Markdown, and implementing caching for performance. Beginners usually complete this in 8 to 10 weeks, while intermediates finish in 5 to 7. The entire roadmap mirrors how real research intelligence systems are built in industry, making this project an excellent portfolio piece that immediately signals practical readiness to hiring managers. The career impact of mastering a research automation agent is massive because this field touches some of the fastest-growing roles in AI. Companies are actively looking for engineers who understand RAG systems, academic data workflows, and structured reasoning, making this project relevant for positions like AI research engineer, knowledge graph developer, NLP engineer, LLM application developer, and research intelligence analyst. Recruiters evaluate whether you can handle unstructured data, build retrieval pipelines, design reasoning loops, and maintain citation accuracy, and this project demonstrates all of those skills in one place. Your resume will instantly benefit from keywords like LangChain agents, academic APIs, RAG systems, document intelligence, and vector databases, which are heavily searched by technical recruiters. Hiring opportunities exist at places like Elicit, Semantic Scholar, Google Research, McKinsey, and Deloitte, with salaries ranging from 9 to 20 lakhs in India and $90,000 to $155,000 in the US. This is the kind of project that not only boosts your portfolio but also proves you can build real automation that saves organizations hundreds of research hours. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.